Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit PDF files without showing the watermark. So, have you ever wondered why it's so difficult to easily edit a PDF file? Sometimes you just want to change the certain fields, such as name, age, email, contact, and others. Or let's say you just have a contract or agreement to sign, and all you want to do is put a signature and print out our name. Well, for today, I'll show you guys a bunch of tools that can help edit PDF files for you, all for free. So, the first tool that we'll be talking about today is the tool called Seda. This tool is entirely free, and you don't even need to sign up for an account or anything like that. Simply head to seda.com and click on Edit a PDF document. Then upload your PDF file, and then click on Edit PDF file. You can also choose a source from the drop-down list, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or a web URL. For the purposes of this video, I'll be editing this PDF file I have from my computer. Once you've uploaded that file, you'll see it ready for editing. If you look at the top hand side, there are numerous options available and tools for you to use. You can work with texts, links, forms, images, and even put signatures on documents. You can even use a whiteout feature or annotate text. You can even add shapes or find or replace certain texts. If you wish to edit the field, simply select the text option, click on the field you want to edit, and start typing away. You can also add text boxes or images wherever you wish on the PDF file. Once you're happy with all the changes you've made, make sure to click on Apply Changes, and your edited document will be ready to download as a edited PDF. And another way to edit PDF files is by using Canva. Since we're using Canva, of course you need to make sure you have a Canva account. If not, go ahead and sign up for one for free. There's also a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro available for all new accounts. Once you've logged in, simply go to your homepage and drag and drop your PDF file here. Let's use this PDF file as an example. After uploading, click on the document as shown here to start editing. Using Canva's editing tool, you can easily change text, fonts, and even the main body of the text on the PDF. If you wish to sign the PDF though, you can use Canva's built-in drawing tool. Just simply select the Draw tool and then the Pen tool. Feel free to choose a color you wish. Most people will go for black for a professional signature. And then go ahead and sign your name. If you wish to print your name, use the Text tool, similar to the signing anything in Canva. Once you're done making your edits and signing, click on Share and then Download, and select the PDF format to download your edited on Canva PDF file. And that's how simple it is to edit PDF files online without leaving a watermark. Let me know which one of these tools you're going to be using, whether it's Seda or Canva. If you feel like you learned something new, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.